In today's volatile security landscape, protecting your organization's assets and safeguarding against threats is paramount. Did you know that the global cost of cybercrime is expected to reach $10.5 trillion annually by 2025? Without proper security management and asset protection measures, organizations face significant risks, including financial losses, operational disruptions, and reputational damage. Individuals, on the other hand, lack the knowledge and skills to identify and mitigate security threats effectively. Are you concerned about the potential risks and costs associated with security breaches and asset losses? Are you struggling to keep up with ever-evolving security threats and industry best practices? Our Advanced Security Management and Asset Protection Certification training course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to establish and maintain a robust security framework. Through comprehensive training, you'll learn how to develop and implement strategies, processes, and controls to identify, assess, and mitigate security risks and protect your organization's physical and digital assets. For organizations, this course offers reduced risks of security breaches and asset losses, improved operational continuity, and enhanced stakeholder trust and reputation. For individuals, you'll gain in-demand security management and asset protection skills, the ability to contribute to a secure environment, and a competitive edge in the job market. Safeguard your organization's assets and unlock sustainable growth. Enroll now and become a security management pro